Flying isn't cheap, and even in economy you're probably not getting everything you've paid for. That's because airlines include a surprising number of hidden perks in your ticket that they don't advertise. Why? Because most travelers never ask or even know they exist. This video is for anyone who wants to fly smarter, feel more comfortable, and save real money without spending a single dollar more than the cost of their ticket. These are practical tips that apply whether you're a frequent flyer or someone preparing for their first long-haul trip. Subscribe to Epic Voyage for weekly insider travel tips, and check the description for official resource links and trusted travel essentials that help you take full advantage of these secrets. You'll be surprised what you can get for free just by being informed and polite. Let's get into the 14 secret freebies you can ask for on any flight and how to get them. Chapter 1. The hidden drink menu. Most passengers settle for water, Coke or apple juice when the cart rolls by. But what you don't see is the full beverage selection. Airlines keep stocked up to 15 or 20 different options depending on the route and carrier. Flight attendants usually won't offer everything unless asked. Behind the cart, options like cranberry juice, ginger ale, sparkling water, tonic, and even chocolate milk are often available, tucked away in compartments or the galley. And here's a simple upgrade. Instead of just accepting a half cup of soda filled with ice, politely ask for the entire can. It's a little known but totally acceptable request. Most attendants will say yes with no issue. Want to make sure you stay hydrated on long-haul flights? Try asking for 2 drinks at once, like juice and water. Most crew members are happy to help when asked kindly and reasonably. Chapter 2. Free refills are fair game. Think you only get 1 drink? Think again. Many travelers don't realize that there's no strict limit. Refills are allowed and often encouraged. If you're feeling thirsty an hour or 2 into the flight, don't hesitate to press the call button and ask for more. Want an extra cup of coffee after your nap or another juice to go with your meal? You're not being difficult, just informed. This tip is especially helpful on overnight or long international flights where hydration can hit hard. Staying hydrated is key to avoiding jet lag, fatigue, and headaches mid-flight. Flight attendants typically appreciate polite passengers and may even offer water bottles or additional drink service later in the flight if they see you're not overdoing it. Chapter 3. The hot water hack that saves money. If you're the kind of traveler who likes comfort on a budget, this trick is essential. Bring a reusable thermos or silicone cup and ask a flight attendant for hot water once the seatbelt sign is off. The best part? It's completely free, and you can turn that hot water into a full meal. Add instant noodles, miso soup, instant oatmeal, or your favorite herbal tea. You've now skipped the airport coffee and the limited in-flight options, and instead built your own mini meal. Worried about space? A collapsible cup weighs almost nothing and fits in your pocket. In colder cabins, sipping hot tea or broth throughout the flight also helps regulate body temperature and reduce stress, especially on red-eyes or long-haul journeys. Frequent flyers often create a small kit with everything they need in one pouch. This adds flexibility and comfort to any flight, no matter how short or long. Chapter 4. Double or triple snacks without shame. Ever been handed one tiny pack of pretzels and thought, that's it? You're not alone, but here's the truth. Airlines usually have more snacks than they give out initially. Want more? Ask politely. When the snack cart comes, say, would it be okay to have both options? Or, do you have any extras? Chances are you'll walk away with 2 or even 3 bags. Timing matters. Try asking after the cart is halfway through the cabin. By then, the crew has a better idea of their supply. This increases the odds they can spare more. Even better? Walk back to the galley an hour later and request another snack. Most attendants would rather give them away than toss them, and it helps reduce food waste. Chapter 5. A second meal on international flights. Flying overseas and still hungry after your first meal? There's good news. Airlines usually load extra meals for every flight. On long-haul routes, there's often a 10 to 15% surplus to handle dietary errors or seat swaps. If those go unclaimed, they're discarded after landing, unless you ask for one. Head to the galley after the full cabin has been served and kindly ask if any meals are left. Be open to different options, whatever they have available. Even if you don't eat the second full meal, having the choice means less stress, especially on flights lasting over 10 hours. It's a comfort boost that many flyers overlook. Chapter 6. Request special meals for early service. Here's a pro traveler move. Request a special meal during booking. Options often include vegetarian, vegan, low sodium, kosher, halal, gluten-free, or diabetic meals. These meals are prepared separately, and more importantly, they're served first. You get to eat 20 to 30 minutes before the rest of the plane, giving you a head start to relax, nap, or use the restroom before the line forms. Sometimes the quality is even better, since special meals are made in smaller batches. It's one of the easiest upgrades you can make. Just confirm your request 24-48 hours before departure. This also helps if you have food allergies or dietary needs. Airlines are more prepared than ever to accommodate various meal types. Chapter 7. Discover entertainment you didn't know you had. If you only scroll through the main movies tab, you're missing out. Airlines like United, Delta, and American have partnerships with premium platforms like HBO, Disney+, Showtime, and Hulu. Many flights also offer complimentary access to digital newspapers and magazines via the in-flight Wi-Fi portal. These include big names like the New York Times, Washington Post, and National Geographic. Also, for families, be sure to browse for full-length kids' shows and educational games that aren't listed in the printed magazine. Spending a few minutes exploring the menu can uncover hours of free, premium entertainment, no subscription needed. A relaxing flight often starts with the right viewing options. We'd love to know, have you ever received something for free on a flight just by asking? Share your story in the comments below. You might help someone else unlock the same perk on their next trip. And if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the Epic Voyage community. We bring you real practical travel strategies every week. Let's keep going. Chapter 8. Kid entertainment kits to the rescue. If you're traveling with children, don't rely on screens alone. Most airlines offer free entertainment kits for kids, but they don't advertise it. These often include coloring books, crayons, puzzles, activity cards, and sometimes even toys. Just ask a flight attendant early in the flight and they'll check the supply. These kits aren't just great for kids. Some contain calming tools like sensory strips or fidget-friendly textures that can be helpful for anxious flyers of any age. Ask as soon as you're seated. Supplies are limited and it's first come, first served. It could make the difference between a chaotic or calm flight. Chapter 9. Family seating and bassinet requests. Flying with young kids or a baby under 2. You have more rights than you think. US airlines are now required to seat children under 12 next to a parent or guardian for free, even on basic fares. Also, if you're flying long haul with an infant, ask about bulkhead seats with bassinets. These small baby beds attach to the wall in front of your seat and allow your baby to sleep comfortably during the flight. Availability is limited, so ask when booking or at check-in. These perks won't show up automatically. You must request them. Planning ahead makes all the difference. Chapter 10. Free messaging during the flight. We all know airplane Wi-Fi can be pricey and slow, but most passengers don't know they can send unlimited text messages on many major airlines for free. Carriers like Delta, American, and Alaska let you message through iMessage, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger without paying for full Wi-Fi access. It's perfect for texting a friend, coordinating with airport pickup, or simply letting someone know your flight landed safely. JetBlue even goes further, offering completely free high-speed Wi-Fi on all domestic flights. For business travelers or content creators, that's a huge value. So next time you board, skip the overpriced Wi-Fi plan and unlock the power of free messaging. Just make sure to connect early in the flight, as some require a brief login step. Chapter 11. Get closer to the exit, even in economy. If you have a tight connection, don't panic. Airlines can often help if you ask early. Let a flight attendant know during boarding or right after takeoff. Tell them your flight number and connecting gate. In many cases, they'll prioritize your exit or move you to an empty seat closer to the front. On rare occasions, the crew may even notify your next gate or arrange for an electric cart to meet you at the jet bridge. It's not guaranteed, but polite early communication can make all the difference. Missed flights create headaches for everyone. Airlines would rather help avoid them when they can. Chapter 12. Score exit row and premium seats for free. Exit row seats offer extra space, but if they go unsold, you may be able to get them for free. Step 1. Check in online exactly 24 hours before departure. Some airlines release extra legroom seats to general passengers at this time. Step 2. If none are available, ask the gate agent 30-45 minutes before boarding. Let them know you're willing to move to any extra space. Solo travelers and polite requesters often get first dibs. Mentioning that you're tall or get stiff legs on long flights adds credibility. Airlines won't always accommodate, but if they can, they usually will. Chapter 13. Economy comfort kits. You just have to ask. Pillows, blankets, socks, earplugs and toothbrush kits aren't just for business class. Many airlines stock these items in economy, especially on long-haul flights, but they're only given out if you ask. Feel cold? Ask for an extra blanket. Need to rest? Request an eye mask. Want to freshen up after a red-eye? Ask for a toothbrush kit. Some international airlines even stock lavender wipes or slipper socks for economy passengers on overnight routes. These items aren't visible, but they're there. It's all about knowing what to ask for and doing so early before supplies run out. Chapter 14. Medical help and first aid. No cost. Every aircraft is equipped with a comprehensive medical kit, and flight attendants are trained in first aid. If you get a headache, stomach upset, or feel faint, don't suffer silently. You can request pain relievers, bandages, antacids, or wipes at no charge. Worried about germs? Ask for a sanitizing wipe when boarding. Tray tables and armrests are among the dirtiest surfaces on a plane, and a quick wipe down can bring peace of mind. Even passengers with motion sickness or anxiety can request assistance discreetly. It's not an inconvenience, it's part of the safety protocol. These 14 secrets don't require elite status, years of flying experience, or paid upgrades. All you need is knowledge and the confidence to ask. Whether it's better drinks, more snacks, comfort kits, or messaging access, these little-known benefits can transform your flight experience without spending more. Check the description for trusted official airline links and top-rated travel gear to help you claim these benefits. And don't forget to subscribe to Epic Voyage for more practical travel hacks that make every journey better. Safe travels, and we'll see you on the next video.